There's a quiet kind of magic in the morning. Before the noise, before the rush. A moment where everything feels possible. Not because anything has changed, but because you are here to meet a new day. Let's step into it gently. Take a slow breath in and exhale softly. Let your body settle naturally. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you without effort. Notice the air around your skin, the temperature, the stillness. Take a deeper breath in through your nose and release slowly. Let your breathing become easy and natural. Nothing forced, nothing controlled. Now imagine the first light of sunrise on the horizon. A soft golden glow, slowly rising, touching everything it reaches. As you breathe in, imagine this light gently approaching you. As you breathe out, feel it resting around you. This light doesn't rush. It arrives exactly when it's meant to. And just like that light, you are allowed to begin your day in your own time. With each inhale, imagine drawing in this fresh morning energy. It feels clean, clear, expansive. It moves through your mind, bringing lightness through your body, bringing ease. Affirm softly, I welcome positive energy into this day. I allow myself to feel clear and open. Let this idea settle gently. Not everything needs to be pushed. Some things simply unfold when you meet them calmly. Today doesn't need to be perfect to be meaningful. You can move through it one moment at a time. With awareness, not urgency. Affirm, I move through today with ease. I allow life to meet me halfway. bring your awareness to your senses. Notice the quiet sounds around you, the feeling of your breath, the subtle presence of this moment. Find one small thing to appreciate. Something simple, something real. Let gratitude arise naturally from noticing. Affirm, there is so much here for me already. I choose to notice the good. Now imagine a gentle flowing river nearby. This river represents abundance. It moves steadily, effortlessly, never forcing, never stopping. And notice something important. The river doesn't hold back. It keeps flowing, always bringing something new. Imagine yourself sitting beside this river. Open, relaxed, allowing its energy to reach you. Affirm, abundance flows toward me in natural ways. I trust the steady rhythm of my life. Now imagine placing something symbolic beside the river. A small bowl, a cup, or an object you love. This represents your willingness to receive. You don't need to chase the water. You simply allow it to come to you. Feel that openness within yourself. Affirm, I am open to receiving goodness today. I allow opportunities, ease, and joy to find me. Picture yourself moving through your day with lightness. You're not rushing. You're not resisting. You're simply responding calmly, clearly. Moments unfold naturally. Things align in quiet, unexpected ways. You feel supported, not because everything is perfect, but because you are steady within it. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the calm you've created, the openness, the quiet confidence. Let this become your baseline for the day. affirm softly, I carry this calm energy with me. I trust that today is working in my favor. Take one deeper breath in and exhale slowly. Before opening your eyes, hold this intention. Today, I move gently. Today, I remain open. Today, I welcome what is good. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Step into your day like the morning light. Unhurried, steady, and quietly powerful.